Okay guys, this is a 2023 Ford Maverick Lariat Hybrid, front wheel drive. Send you from Real Deal Auto. Rebuilt title, rear damage, all been fixed up. Nothing was touched in the front. Start up. $25,494 on the miles. Your steering wheel controls, cruise, power sliding rear glass, smart key. Does have your Apple CarPlay. Power windows, mirrors, and locks. There's your VIN number. Does have the all-weather floor mats. Damage was here in the rear. It's all been fixed up. Does have the tonneau cover. Does have a spray-in bed liner. No tow package. The original window sticker. See the gas mileage. Alignment's all passed. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.